Now, folks, look at SharperTrades. Market is quiet after 4 days, 3 days of red candle. Continues to do another red candle. However, is back above the 80 minute. That's important. Needs more volume. Again, we're expecting some period of consolidation, waiting for whatever comes out of the election. So that will be November 5th. So, and earnings are coming up. We are actually entering earnings season in full swing this week. A lot of companies reporting. Watch for a breakout above 586, 87 on the SPY with the next targets 595, sorry, 603. Support 578, 570, and 50 SMR. Coin. So the crypto market has made a move. Bitcoin is near 70. I think eventually it's going to make a breakthrough and then look for 74,000. That's the all-time high. Eventually we'll go higher, I think. So coin is rallied through here, go back, bounce above 196 and the 200 simple moving average is now back above the 200 price level. The next resistance is 220, targets 223, 238 and 254. And analysts today upgraded with a target at 245. This one is an investment. Support EMA and 200 SMA. Marvel, this one is a swing, quiet consolidation. I like this rectangular formation. Is to take out the recent high at 84.20, targets 86, 92, 99. Support 80 and 78. SERV swing idea popped today, went to 1284 and then backed off. Strong technicals is breaking out. If we raise this trend line, taking out this top right here, and this high here at 1076. Target was 1154. Today one is high as 13. The target was 1320-ish. Above that 15, 1730, and 1950. Support is half of the candle. That's somewhere around 90, and then today low 10, 990. Volatile. SMR swing working well. Today hit first target and near the second target. Breakout through here, pull back, quiet consolidation. On Friday we entered, did a pullback. It was a little bit disappointing the pullback, but the technical remained bullish with good volume and a balance of power bullish. Today made a move. Bullish kicker went through the 20 resistance, the target 2030, and then near the next target, the second was 2239, went to 2224. We are tightening stops now. 2030 and 1930. We're looking for 2240, 2460, 27. This is again also one of those nuclear related AI/nuclear related companies. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.